Hello! Guys, my favorite season of the year is here, summer, and I realized that I still haven't filmed my go-to summery / when I'm on vacation makeup look. So this is what we're doing today. Hopefully you will get inspired or learn something from today's video. So without further ado, let's start with the makeup. Okay, so today's makeup look is all about the skin. We're not focusing on the eyes or the lips, we're focusing on the skin. Our skin needs to look flawless. So in order to achieve that, we need to make sure that our skin is shining like a diamond. How are we gonna make our skin so glowy? With skincare. I know that you've heard me talking about skin preparation and the importance of preparing your skin before you do your makeup like a million times, but there are still people out there who don't prepare their skin before they do their makeup. I will never stop talking about this until everyone starts preparing their skin before they do their makeup. All it takes is a little bit of skincare, just a couple of products, and that's it. You need to understand that 80% of a good makeup look is a good looking skin. So my skincare routine is pretty much the same, but I did try 2 new products and I want to share them with you because I really like them. So the first one is this serum right here. It's a glow serum with propolis and niacinamide by Beauty of Joseon. This brand really has my heart because I've tried so many products of them and I liked each one of them. I know it sounds like an ad, but it's not. I wish. Actually, please Beauty of Joseon sponsor me. But no, it's not an ad. It's really how I feel about these products and about this brand. So I've already washed my skin and I'm gonna move on with this serum. It's super hydrating and it gives that extra glow on the skin, and especially for today's makeup look, this is what we need. Next, I'm gonna use this moisturizing cream. I've talked about this moisturizer before. It's again from the same brand, Beauty of Joseon. And last but not least, I'm gonna use this sunscreen. I started using this only a few days ago and I really liked it. It's the La Rose-Posay. It gives you a really nice glow on the skin, and also I like that it dries very quickly. And just like that, we finished with the skin preparation. So if I had to give a title for today's makeup look, it would look like Natural Glass Skin, Very Sun-Kissed, Peachy, Summery Makeup Look. I know it's a very long title, but we're gonna implement each one of these things in today's makeup look. So I'm gonna start with this product right here. It's a glow enhancer. You can find it in a couple of different shades. I have the Fair Glow. You can use it as a highlighter, you can use it as a base under your foundation. It could also work as a liquid eyeshadow, which is a really nice product. I'm gonna put it all over the skin so we can have this extra glow. Like I said, today's makeup look is all about the skin and the glow. Oh my god, look. Woo! Our skin is skinning. So I'm gonna go straight with the concealer. So for this summery makeup look, I don't use foundation because when I'm on vacation, I don't use foundation at all. I will take it with me because you never know if you want to cover something. But in general, I don't use foundation because it's too hot outside and I don't want to use many products on my skin. Also, when I'm on vacation, I like to give my skin a break from all this makeup and let it breathe. And the same thing I do with my hair. I don't use heat tools at all. So if you want to look like a real bronzed goddess, you need to buy this product right here. I swear by it. I've been using this for many years. I've talked about this like a million times. It has the best texture, it's super creamy, and it blends super easily on the skin. It has the best color ever. Just trust me and buy this product right here. It's the best, honestly. So I will take a lot of product and I'm just gonna start contouring and giving this sunburn, sun-kissed, whatever you want to call it, color on my skin. Make sure that you blend all the products very, very well. We don't want any harsh lines. We want to let other people think that all these colors are just our natural skin. I will use a fluffy brush like this and just with this cream bronzer again, I will blend it on my eyelids. So next we're moving on to the Holy Trinity. If you want your brows to look a 10 out of 10, you need to buy these 3 products from Refy. We have the clear brow sculpt, we have the brow pomade, and we also have the brow pencil. These 3 products together, oh my god, I don't know what I was doing with my life before these three products. Like, it's either these three products or nothing. Okay, so first I like to start with the pomade. I think you're supposed to set the brows first and then use the pomade and then the pencil, but I don't know, I like to do it my own way. And then with the pencil, I'm gonna draw some strands of hair very lightly. Last but not least, we're gonna set them. So this next step is the most important step for this summery sun-kissed makeup look, and it's blush. So for this step you can either use a cream blush or a liquid blush. I'm gonna use this cream blush right here. I like to put my blush up here on the cheekbones because it makes your face look more lifted. And also I like how it looks up here. I think it looks so much better. So for the lips, next I'm gonna use this liquid blush. It has a very beautiful peachy color. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand because it's super pigmented and I don't wanna make a mess. I will use my ring finger for this. I will tap it on the back of my hand again and I will go all over my lips. The last thing I'm gonna use on the lips is this clear lip balm. This will make our lips more juicy. So guys, this is the final result of today's makeup look. So guys, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed today's makeup look. Let me know if you try this makeup look and if you like it. So I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you so much for watching. If you come this far, please subscribe to my channel and like this video because it helps me a lot. You can also find me on other platforms. I will have them linked in the description box. And you can also share this video with your friends, your family, anyone. I will hopefully see you in my next video.